Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a crop over makeup look, and this makeup look is inspired by Beige International's costume, A Collage in Time. The costume, as you can see by these pictures, is a combination of blacks and silver and yellows and all those colors combined. For this makeup look, I played more into the silver and the black on the costume, and the dark red lip was just inspired by the actual models for the costume. I kind of like how the red lip looked with the costume overall, so that is why I chose to do the red lip. And this red lip is actually uncensored by Fenty Beauty, and I filled in my lips completely with a dark brown liner and then applied the lipstick on top, so it kind of toned it down to make it a little bit darker, because it's actually a very vibrant red lipstick. And yeah, so let's get into this makeup look. And I feel as though it's coming off on camera that the eyelid colors are actually white, but I don't know if you can see up close that is actually a silver color. So anyway, so yeah. And if you're wondering why I sound different in this video than I do in my other videos, it's because I kind of had little incidences with my Bajan accent. Just because this is crop over and I'm listening to crop over music and I am just in the mood. And if you're wondering how come you don't talk like that on a regular basis, it's because I am a Bajan Yankee, and that is sadly the only way to put it. I was born in Barbados, but I moved here when I was 8, and here being the US. So when I came here, I kind of assimilated to the culture, and I kind of was made fun of before my Bajan accent. So I just was like, when in Rome, and I created my whole American accent. So that is where that comes from. So if you watch my other videos and wonder why I don't speak in my American accent in those videos, that is why. But I actually don't want to do that anymore, so I can't just change my accent in my real life. So for YouTube now, I'll be doing most of my videos, if not all my videos, in a kind of Bajan Yankee accent. So that is all I have to say, and I hope that you guys enjoy this look. And I will be doing 4 more looks for crop over this year, so I'm going to try to get them out before Kadooment Day, so you guys can have kind of an inspiration on what kind of makeup you want to do for your costume. And maybe I may pick a costume that you're actually already wearing. So if you're wearing the Beige International costume, comment down below and let me know, and tell me what your makeup inspiration is and how you plan to do your makeup that day, or plan to get your makeup done that day. But let's get into this video. So in today's makeup, I'm going to be attempting a kind of silver smoky eye with a dark lip, and or maybe a red lip, I'm not sure. I'm going to go in with my eyebrow pencil, and the eyebrow pencil I'm using is by e.l.f. and it's their brow pencil in the color deep brown. Hands on your knees and make it go wrong. Come baby girl, wind down low, wind down low. So in today's video, we're going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and as you can see by the girl on here, she ready for crop over. It was Brazil Carnival, but same difference. I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Eyelight, and these are in the color BFF, and it's just really pretty silver color. And this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see, because the camera and the lights might not show it as well, but it's just really pretty silver color. So I'm going to try to use this to create a cut crease. For our transition color, I think first I am going to go in with this orangey brown color, and this palette is the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. So for our lid primer, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the color Original. And I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to put it on my actual lid, and then I'm going to spread it out with my hand. So like I said, I'm gonna go in with that kind of orangey brown color, and I'm just gonna put this in my transition area, which is like right above your crease, and I'm just gonna keep adding it till I get the kind of opacity that I want. Opacity? Is it opacity? I think that's the word. I know I'm going to go in with a Countour blending brush, and we're gonna go in with this dark color from Beige Cosmetics. This dark, not beige, from the Nubian palette, this dark brown color. Color that is just a fat. And I am just gonna blend this right underneath that color that we just put down. And I'm gonna do circular motions and blend it upward. And then we're gonna take that other blending brush that we just had with the dark brown, with the orangey brown, and we're just gonna blend out where the dark brown and that brown meets. So we have this kind of dark crease area. Don't win a hole, only rubber tear off. Don't win a hole, the oily leaking. Don't win a hole, I should be home sleeping, but I don't win a hole. So if you see it, tell her that it's just a fat. I was on my way, coming back and caught a flat. Think I look good, standing but she too hot like him, but she resorts. This song is so sweet. I swear, every single year, Big Irie comes over with a song and it's just sweet, like every single year. I'm going to take the Eyelight and I'm going to take it on a brush. So I'm going to start from the inner corner and I'm going to go up. This girl live in a kind of place, can't even find she address on ways. So as you can see, I brought it out, but I didn't bring it all the way because we're going to smoke out the edge of this. So I kind of brought it 3/4 of the way. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Looking like all she does it is provision. She says she's a country gal on the way. The gal look good, stand up and she too and not Kimbo. She resourceful, when lights go she like the flambo, like she reading minds. You know this gal could make homemade wine. I don't care who vex, town gal sweet, but country is the best. I wanna live in your country. But now we're done cutting our crease, and I put 2 layers of the eyelights on each eye. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the black in this palette right here, in the Beige Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I am going to smoke out my outer corner. And I should probably have put tape, but we can just try to put this together. But I suggest putting a little bit of tape so that it kind of works. So you're just gonna dab it in there and you're just gonna pat. Good morning, baby. Good morning, baby. Whoa, what a night. Action broke out till morning light. Whoa, what a night. Good morning. So you can kind of see that I kind of made it like a little triangle out here, but we're not gonna blend it in yet. I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Relax and enjoy the flight. And everything nice. We having the time of the life right now in the morning vibe. The morning vibes. Real vibes. Real vibes. Nice. Real nice. Real nice. Me and me girl inside of the bed with me. Alright, so now we're gonna blend this out. It doesn't have any product on it, so I'm gonna try to blend it out without the product. And if I feel like I need more black, then I will go in with more, just like a dab more black. And I'm trying to kind of bring that black right above the cut crease without messing up the cut crease. Ladies,
Daddy, no lie. Trust me, almighty. Okay.
I'm gonna go back in with this color right here that we use. I'm just going to soften up some of that black on this eye because I feel like this eye got a little bit carried away.
All you people in the coke stop balling. She said I want girl. She box and girl. She cut and girl.
Okay, so I cleaned up the edges with a wet wipe. You can use a makeup wipe, but I find a wet wipe works fine as well. I know what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my face because we're going to come back and then we're going to do the under eye. So for the face today, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime. Like we all know, crop over is hot. The sun is beating down and you want your face to stay beat and not get beat up by the sun. Okay, so you want to prime and put on just enough coverage. So the first thing I'm going to use, this is not the Urban Decay all-nighter spray, but I do recommend that spray. It is very, very good. So if you have that, you could try that as well. This is actually just aloe vera juice and water in this spray bottle.
Can you feel it?
I am going to put on my primer, and the primer that I love and is completely ran out of is my Revelon PhotoReady Perfecting Primer.
Can you feel it? Some girl them bad in a bum bum. Let me tell you the reason why.
No, I'm going to take my Baby Skin by Maybelline. This is a more pore perfecting primer, and I'm just going to put this where my pores are really large. So on top of all of that, I'm going to take my setting powder that I use, and this setting powder is by Black Radiance and it is their loose setting powder, and I believe this is in the color Banana. And I am just going to take this and I'm going to set those areas with the pores and those areas that get oily. We're gonna use my Superstay foundation, and I am in the color, what's this color? Coconut. So I'm gonna take my flat top brush and I am gonna pump my foundation onto the back of my hand. I did one pump and then I'm just gonna dot that all over my face.
Boring girls alone. Boring girls alone. No boring girls alone. If you independent, baby, I'm proud. No boring girls alone. Because I make the girls that squat. I make the girls that drop. I make the regular shake and get.
Now what I'm going to do is I am going to go in with my highlighting and brightening and contouring and all that great stuff. So to do that, we're going to be using my fellow Beige, my Fenty Beauty Match Stix trio, and the colors that are for me are Espresso and Suede. So Suede is your under eye color, and then Espresso is your contour color. So these Match Stix dry down so fast and so matte. So right now we're gonna do our highlight areas, the under of our eyes, forehead, nose, upper lip, and chin. We're gonna blend that, and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna add in our contour.
The only thing that she know is so to wind up her body, oh. The only thing that she know is so to wind up her body, oh. This girl says she never really dance so, and she never hear a thing about the tango, oh. The tango, oh. This girl says she don't really salsa. She asks what type of drink is this samba, oh. It's only wine that she know. Show me what you know. Wine down, girl, wine and go down. Wine down, girl, wine and go down. Show me what you know.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a slightly lighter color underneath my eye just to brighten up under my eyelids. under my eyelid, under my eye. And I'm going to be using the Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn. And while that dries down, we're going to go in with Espresso.
Too sweet when I wine pon you. You're too sweet when I wine pon you. Love, love. I can't tell no lie, but I can't get enough for your love. Love. You're pushing back on me, cause you know I love it rough, rough. I'm falling for you, girl, and I know that is what you love. I know that is what you love, girl. Yes. You give me wine, and then I give you mine, girl. Tropical vibes, yes. Tropical wine, girl.
So now we have creamed it all up. Now we're gonna powder it all down. And to set my under eye, I'm still gonna be using that loose powder by Black Radiance.
You give me wine, and then I give you mine, girl. Tropical vibes, yes. I give you mine. Your bumper just fluctuates.
I am sorry, my battery died, so let me tell you what happened while my battery was recharging. What I did was I did my under eye. So what I use for my liner is my e.l.f. liner, gel liner in black, and then I lined under my eyes, and then I went in with that same black color and I did under my eyes and set that liner. So that is how I got this like smoky under eye. And then I just continued with the Eyelight in my inner tear duct area and a little bit on the inner corner at the bottom. Hopefully you guys saw me contour and bronze. And to contour, I used the True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance. And then to bronze, I used their baked bronzer in Gingersnap. And the face powder that I use is Black Radiance in Creamy Beige. That was just in case that whole thing got cut out, because I honestly don't know where it stopped. We're going to spray our face because our face is full of powder now. So we want to spray our face. I'm going to spray again with this aloe vera juice and water mix. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our sponge and we're just going to make sure that that gets pressed in to the skin. And for lips today, we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty, she's called a lip paint. The Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored, which is a red lip. I'm going to line my lips with this e.l.f. gel liner in Coffee, I believe is the name. Yeah, I think it's named Coffee.
I come in here as a loner. I know you spot me from far. We had a good drink together and then go down by the bar. One thing lead to another and we end up on the dance floor.
This is not the finished look. That would be a lie, because we have to highlight until we cannot highlight anymore because it's crop over, and I want to be glowing like a disco ball on the road. If I was going, I'm not going to be there, but I live in vicariously through you. I'm just telling you, when you on the road, glow like a disco ball for me.
I did want to walk up on you every sense. Come give me the wine. Yeah, give me a bite the wine. I did want to walk up on you every sense. Come give me the wine. Yeah, give me a bite the wine. Back it up and show me. Turn around and hold me. Let me start the back and I'll in here although you don't know me. My feelings so lucky. I'm getting out the day. Got me two hands around the waist, so look in my face. And come let me walk together, jump together. Even though we ain't come together, walk together, jump together. Drink a rum and have fun together, walk together, jump together. Even though we ain't come together, walk together, jump together. It's how we party. She don't know if I got a woman, don't know if she got a man. Back to how we in the session, they jamming from Tenderland. I walking up like I know ya, but can't remember your name. But every song that